Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today guys, I will be teaching you about support resistance, but this one guys, this support and resistances are generated using Fibonacci retracement. So it's a good tool which produce support resistances that one can look for when trading currencies or Nasdaq or any currency or any instrument. So in this video tutorial guys, I'm going to be teaching you about two things. There is a Fibonacci. Many people they don't know. There is a Fibonacci retracement based on previous high and lows, which means the first thing that you have to do in order to place Fibonacci, you have to identify your highs and lows, right? And then you'll move if it was a downtrend market, or it was an uptrend. If let's take it's a downtrend, it means that you will take it from high as your to low, right? And since you are decreasing, the prices must also decrease, right? Because you are taking it from high to low, the prices must decrease. And also, if you are looking at uptrend, it means that the price must increase as you go up. You will see from this example. So today guys, I'll be teaching you about this Fibonacci. Many people when they place Fibonacci, they place it, there are some people who place it from previous highs and lows, but sometimes there's a problem because you won't know which high or a low investors or some people are looking at. So I will also teach you that method on my other videos, but today I will be teaching you Fibonacci retracement based on time, which means we are going to introduce time on our strategy, so that in this case guys, I will use Fibonacci retracement based on daily chart, which means based on the 24 hours, right? Previous 24 hours. So I'll just take highs and lows of the 24 hours. So I'll go to my indicators. For those who don't know, you go to Fibonacci retracement, and then you can see I want to predict. If you want to predict the next day guys, which means you are going to use the previous day, right? So we are going to look at the previous day's highs and lows. In this case, our previous day highs and lows is this one, because we are starting from high to low. As you can see, it starts from 100, right? And then it decreases, which means every time when you are looking at a downtrend, our Fibonacci must also decrease with our trend, right? If the candle, it was a sell, it means you must start from 100 and then to 0. This shows that the candle, it was a downtrend. So in this case guys, I'm using this Fibonacci. I want to predict what I want to predict the this the next day. So I'm using the previous day, which because it is the only prices. It is the only prices which for the previous day which we have. So we have the previous day, guys. As you can see, I inserted the blue lines. We inserted it from where our high to low. So our high guys is the 100, because we are the candle was a sell, right? The candle was a sell, so we start from high to low. Don't make mistake from there, and then the price will decrease. When if you can see here guys, we have what? We have the 23, the 38.2, the 50, the 61.8. At the 61.8, that's a stronghold, but here they didn't add another Fibonacci number, which in some instrument, like in some platform like TradingView, they have that number. So I want you to add it also here, so that you will see all the numbers which you should be looking at. Remember, Fibonacci guys, it produces support and resistances. You go to levels and then you add it. You add this number. It is also a Fibonacci number. It is 78.6, so you'll add it like this, and on the other side is 78.6. 78.6. Then done. Yeah, there we go guys, we have the 78.6. Now it's a Fibonacci number. You can go and check on Google, you'll see it is there on other platforms. It's just that on this platform they ended at 61.8, but 78.6. Look at the respect there guys, look at the respect. The market did respect the 78.6, which means at this zone guys, that's where you are looking to sell, at 61.8 or 78.6. That's a stronghold. So that's your strong what? Resistance. So you can even put lines like this. if you don't want to use the Fibonacci, because sometimes you might move you might move it by mistake. You can even put resistances. So that's where you know that, okay, at this level I'm looking to do what? To sell, right? I'm looking to sell at this level because it's stronghold. If the market goes up, I'm looking to sell at that level. And look at this sell, guys. I'm not making this up. As you can see, look at this sell. It was a sell. So that's how you insert the Fibonacci retracement based on time. Many people, they ignore time when they're using Fibonacci. They're just looking at waves. When you're looking at waves, it might happen that someone is looking on a certain wave, someone's looking on the certain wave. So it creates a conflict between the price, right? So I like looking at Fibonacci based on time, because I know that everyone will be looking at it, the Fibonacci based on time frames. So this one, it is based on 1 hour, 1 day chart. So obviously, you know that the preview for 1 day, it's 1 hours. So as you can see, many people, they make mistakes when they are still beginners of putting the Fibonacci. They don't even know what they're doing, because some will take it from like up down. No, if it is a sell, you must make sure that your numbers are decreasing, guys. Your highest price, it must be 100 line, and then a 0 line, as you can see, corresponding. So a 100 line must be, it must be 100, it must be on top and then below as your trend goes up. So this was a sell, guys, based on Fibonacci time. In this case, I'm considering time, not high and low, previous high and low of that day. So that's what I'm considering. So guys, make sure to subscribe on this channel, as I will be teaching you more strategies, so that will add with other strategies. And I'll also show another example where I use Fibonacci for buying and for exit. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and if you don't understand some of the stuff, you will tell me. So that's how you generate support resistances based on Fibonacci, and you can delete it if you want, and then it will look like a support resistance, which you are going to focus on. Until next time, guys.